Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy.
Today, you'll learn 30 fruits in English.
Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Apple,
Apple is a sweet, round fruit that is usually red or green.
apple,
Apple. Apple.
banana,
Banana is a long, yellow fruit.
banana,
Banana. Banana.
orange,
Orange is a juicy citrus fruit.
orange,
Orange. Orange.
grape,
Grape is a small fruit that grows in bunches.
grape,
Grape. Grape.
strawberry,
Strawberry is a small red fruit with seeds outside.
strawberry,
Strawberry. Strawberry.
watermelon,
Watermelon is a large fruit with green skin and red flesh.
watermelon,
Watermelon. Watermelon.
pineapple,
Pineapple is a tropical fruit with a spiky skin.
pineapple,
Pineapple. Pineapple.
mango,
Mango is a sweet tropical fruit with yellow flesh.
mango,
Mango. Mango.
pear,
Pear is a sweet fruit with a narrow top.
pear,
Pear. Pear.
peach,
Peach is a soft fruit with fuzzy skin.
peach,
Peach. Peach.
cherry,
Cherry is a small red fruit with a pit.
cherry,
Cherry. Cherry.
lemon,
Lemon is a sour yellow citrus fruit.
lemon,
Lemon. Lemon.
lime,
Lime is a small green citrus fruit.
lime,
Lime. Lime.
kiwi,
Kiwi is a brown fruit with green flesh.
kiwi,
Kiwi. Kiwi.
coconut,
Coconut is a tropical fruit with a hard shell.
coconut,
Coconut. Coconut.
papaya,
Papaya is a tropical fruit with orange flesh.
papaya,
Papaya. Papaya.
avocado,
Avocado is a creamy green fruit.
avocado,
Avocado. Avocado.
blueberry,
Blueberry is a small blue fruit.
blueberry,
Blueberry. Blueberry.
raspberry,
Raspberry is a soft red berry fruit.
raspberry,
Raspberry. Raspberry.
blackberry,
Blackberry is a dark purple berry fruit.
Blackberry.
Blackberry. Blackberry.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate is a fruit filled with juicy red seeds.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Plum.
Plum is a small, sweet fruit with a pit.
Plum.
Plum. Plum.
Apricot.
Apricot is a small orange fruit.
Apricot.
Apricot. Apricot.
Fig.
Fig is a soft, sweet fruit with many seeds.
Fig.
Fig. Fig.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit is a tropical fruit with juicy seeds.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Passion fruit.
Guava.
Guava is a tropical fruit with sweet flesh.
Guava.
Guava. Guava.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit is a colorful fruit with white flesh and black seeds.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe is a sweet orange-fleshed melon.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit is a large citrus fruit with a tangy taste.
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Grapefruit.
Tangerine.
Tangerine is a small, sweet citrus fruit.
Tangerine.
Tangerine. Tangerine.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.